Morning campers, hope you're all well. Oldest friend and I are out having a bit of a recce, which may turn into a camp if it's somewhere suitable. It's a little bit muddy at the moment, which is why I'm just faltering while I'm talking to you. Okay, we're in some woodlands on the outskirts of York. Not going to tell you where, because we're being discreet about things. And we're looking for somewhere a bit different really to where we normally go, just for a bit of variety, spice of life and all that. Just looking about here, and there's a surprising amount of rhododendrons, which are not a good thing for woodland, because they do destroy it. They destroy all the undergrowth because they creep along and root, and every time a branch touches the ground it roots.
So it's sort of like the triffid of the forest world.
It is the triffid of the forest world. See, the brackens are coming out. Ooh, pretty. Not sure we'd have enough fuel for the twig stove. Looks like the beavers have been busy.
I just squirted.
Vape everywhere.
Everywhere.
It made it look atmospheric.
Yeah.
But yeah, somebody's been building a shelter. Not done a bad job if they put some leaves and stuff in between the uprights. This is all nice round here.
Yeah.
It's very sheltered. There's definitely a lot of potential. Just for a nice leisure wild camp. Somebody's been building more shelters by the look of it. Mind you, not, I don't know, I was going to say maybe not so much, but yeah, there you go, there's like a little entranceway there. Quite a few down here. Maybe not the best design. I think somebody's tried to build like a gateway to that one, an entranceway, a pathway, sorry. And that one, look at that, it's got, somebody's put a dining room table in. I think we've got a winner, ladies and gentlemen. The pathway, the main walkway, is actually beyond those trees, just beyond, and there's sufficient of them in the way to obscure view. There's no other real pathways around here. There's all these little shelters knocking around already. We can soon clear some space to put a couple of tents up in discreet locations. Quick glance up and it doesn't look like there's any widowmakers knocking around. They're all healthy. We're doing it?
Let's do it. Let's rock and roll.
Cattle grid. Sounded funny when your car went over it.
Right.
Ooh, little bit of action going on. So we're just having a walk, we're having a look today at different wild camping possibilities. We're off to a second location. We opted not to camp at the first one we looked at purely because, have you noticed how fascinating we are? Purely because it was just a little bit public. There was a few too many people around. So we've come somewhere else to have a look. Some lovely scenery over there though. I'll bring you back when I've done this. Promising start. But even some public access land can have caveats. That's the word. Caveats, yeah. Besides, I think the cows would have kept us awake. So yeah, we've sacked that one off.
So anyway, the cow said, pull the other one.
God. Right, we've decided to sack that off. So we've had a bit of a... The first place we looked at for wild camping has... Hang on a minute, you can see my sound boom. Hang on, let me just move the boom out of the way. Right. So the first one has potential. We're just going to have to pick our time when we go there.
Winter.
Yeah. This one, behind me, not quite so sure about. There is a water source in here, and it looked like, on Google Maps, to all intents and purposes, it looked like it had a lot of potential. But access doesn't seem like it's going to be a go. As you can see, I've done something really sensible here in terms of my parking. Bright lad.